how are you all? Fine. I hope you all fine at home. Today we are going to learn our subject English grammar. Students, this is lesson number 13. Present tense and past tense. Today we are going to learn about present tense and past tense. So students, take out your page number 58. Now, do you know what is tense? Tense means time. Tense means time. Let's we learn. Tense means time. This is time. Past tense, present tense and future tense. There are three tense. Tense, how many tense are there? Three tense. Past tense, present tense and future tense. This is our present time. अभी जो हम एक्शन कर रहे हैं, this is for present time. Tense means time. We use verb in various forms to express time. और different tense के लिए different word we use. We use different word. Tense divided into three parts. Tense divided into three. Past tense, present tense and future tense. Past tense, that action already done. For example, yesterday we learned. Yesterday we learned. Now we are reading. We are talking. हम बातचीत कर रहे हैं. अभी ये present है. जो action अभी हो रहा है. This is called present tense. जो action start है और वो continue है. और everyday वो action होता है. Now future. In future it happens. यानी होगा. In future I will become a doctor. आप ऐसे बोलोगे तो वो कौन सा हो गया? Future tense. वो क्या हो गया? Future यानी future. भविष्य में ऐसा होगा. Now past tense. What is the form of word formation of this? Past tense. First we write subject plus verb of past tense. Subject plus verb of past tense. Then objects plus time. This is the word formation of sentence. How to make sentence of past tense. Now, what is subject? Subject means I, we, you, we, see, it, all including in subject. Now, I am making simple sentence. Subject, I. Okay? Verb, read, wrote. A letter yesterday. I wrote a letter yesterday. I wrote a letter yesterday. कल मैंने letter लिखा था. This is past tense. Subject I, verb of past tense. Write, wrote, written. Like this. This is the past form of write. Object, a letter, time, yesterday. Yesterday, I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter yesterday. Okay? This is sentence of past tense. Now, present tense. In present tense, first, subject plus verb S or ES plus object plus time. Okay? This is present tense. Now subject I. Verb I write. Object a letter. I write a letter. Or timing is today. I write a letter sometime. I write a letter sometime. कोई future tense, today we have to learn only two tense, present tense and past tense. So we need past tense and present tense. Now in a future tense there will be a for sentence formation is subject plus shall oblique will plus verb plus object then time. For example, I shall write a letter tomorrow. In future I have to say a sentence, I shall write a letter tomorrow. I shall write a letter tomorrow. That is the sentence of future tense. But in this, first we have to learn about present tense and past tense. In a present tense, that action goes every day. जो action रोज होती है वो किस में आता है? प्रेजेंट टेंस में. सॉरी. इन द पास्ट टेंस में क्या होता है? जो एक्शन हो गई है उसके बारे में अगर हमको बात करना है, दैट इंक्लूड इन अ पास्ट टेंस. वो किस में आएगा? वो पास्ट टेंस में आएगा. नाउ हियर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 8. fill in the blanks using the given words in the correct present tense form. Now this is some fill in the blanks that is about present tense. Okay, we have to choose correct answer in this blank of present tense. किसके बारे में है? present tense के बारे में है. First, the bell dashed at 8 a.m. Now, the bell dashed at 8 a.m. Now, the bell open, read, ring, sit or raise. The bell rings. What comes here? Rings. Here, rings. The bell rings at 8 a.m. Now here I added s. Now what is s? See here. If here subject is third person, he, she, it or any other name. Here in the end of the word s or es लगता है. At the end of the word. वर्ब के पीछे s और es लगता है. If the third person singular is there. So here the bell is a third person singular form. So we added here s. The bell rings at 8 a.m. Okay. Second, I dash in the second row. Now I dash in the second row. First we have the completed, so cut it. I dash in the second row. I sit in the second row. मैं कहाँ बैठती हूँ? I sit in the second row. I sit in the second row. मैं second row में बैठती हूँ. Third, Seema dash next to me. Seema sits next to me. Here also I add s because Seema is here third person singular form. So I add s. Next, we dash our English book. See completed, so cut it 6. Now we dash our English book. We dash our English book. So what we have done? We open our English book. We open. Write it here. Open. We open our English book. Next, our teacher dash the lesson. Now our Now students, in a past tense. In a past tense, to make the past tense form of most verbs, we add d or ed to them. Now any verb, like for example ask. So we have to, if we have to make a past form of the ask, we add ed at the end of the spelling. Here ask, ask. If ask is there, then we add ed at the end of the ask and it make into asked. What we call asked. Okay. Now exercise number C. Write the past tense forms of the verbs given below. Now some verbs are given here. We have to make past form of this verb. What we have to do? We have to make past form of this verb. Now first is asked. So we add ed to make past form. So asked, 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 asked. Is it past form? Call, called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Call, called. Call, called. Now cook, cooked. What we have to added here? ed to make a past form. हमको past form में करने के लिए क्या ऐड करते हैं? ed. cook, cooked. love, loved. L-O-V-E-D. loved. H-E-L-P, help, helped. H-E-L-P-E-D, helped. help, helped. walk, walked. W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. walk, walked. open, opened. O-P-E-N-E-D, open, opened. finish, finished, finished. F-I-N-I-S-H-E-D, finished. bark, barked. B-A-R-K-E-D, type, typed. T-Y-P-E-D, typed, type, typed. Okay. Now again, this is a present tense we use in a present tense, but in the past tense we add at the end of the verb ed or d or ed to make past form. past form बनाने के लिए हम verb में क्या ऐड करते हैं? d और ed. that is the form of past tense. और वो किसका फॉर्म हो जाता है फिर? past tense. यानी ask means पूछना और asked पूछा. asked, asked. call, called. cook, cooked. love, loved. help, helped. walk, walked. open, opened. finish, finished. bark, barked. type, typed. this is definite verb. और कोई indefinite verb होते हैं जो अलग ही, जैसे कि राइट, राइट का पास्ट फॉर्म क्या होगा? रोट, राइट, रोट, राइट, रोट. रीड, रीड यानी पढ़ना, तो रीड का रेड हो जाएगा. क्या होगा? रेड. प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज रेड बट स्पेलिंग इज रीड ओनली. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ हियर आर गिवन सम ब्लैंक्स. लेट्स वी read. fill in the blanks using the given verbs in the past tense. Here are some verbs given, but we have to write in a past form. हमको कैसे फॉर्म में लिखना है? past form में. Here are given some verbs, but we have to write in a past form. Okay, a dog dash at a cat. A dog dash at a cat. The dog क्या करता है cat के सामने देखकर bark. तो what is the past form of bark? Barked. A dog barked at a cat. A dog barked at a cat. The cat dashed a tree. Now what happened? The cat dashed a tree. So climb. So what is the past form of climb? Climbed. The cat climbed a tree. It dashed onto the roof. It dashed onto the roof. फिर कैट ने क्या किया? रूफ पर जंप. What is the past form of jump? Jumped. It jumped onto the roof. A boy dashed at the cat. तो boy क्या कर रहा है? A boy look at the cat. What is the past form of looked? A boy looked at the cat. He dashed it up and took it home. So he picked. What is the past form of picked? He picked it up. He picked it up and took it home. Now students, we are talking about past form of verb. Now all verbs do not change into their past form. सभी जो वर्ब होते हैं वो पास्ट टेंस में चेंज डी और ईडी लगाने से नहीं होते हैं. All verbs do not change into their past tense form by adding डी और ईडी. तो सभी वर्ब डी और ईडी लगाने से चेंज नहीं होते हैं. Some verbs take a special form when they are used in the past tense. Now here are some verbs given. They are special verbs, so they change into their special form. Let's we read here. Present tense, past tense. Now bring. We do not add d or ed. Okay, we bringed. We don't say like this. What it change into brought. Bring will change into brought. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? bring का क्या हो जाएगा? brought हो जाएगा. What is the spelling of brought? B-R-O-U-G-H-T. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. This is a special form and this is past form of bring. Okay, bring, brought. Bring, brought. Another, eat. Eat change into at. What is the past form of eat? At. I ate an apple. मैंने apple खाया. I ate an apple. So eat at. What is the spelling of at? A-T-E, at. Eat at. Keep, kept. What is the past form of keep? Kept. K-E-P-T, kept. Now sleep, slept. S-L-E-P-T. Catch, caught. Catch change into caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. C-A-U-G-H-T. Catch, caught. Send, sent. S-E-N-T, send. Get, got. Get, got. Tell, told. Tell, told. Teach, taught, teach, taught. Go, go change into went. I went to market yesterday. मैं yesterday यानी कल मार्केट गई थी. So go change into went. Stand, stood, stood. Come, came. What is the past form of come? Came. Make. Past form of make, made. M-A-D-E, made. It is made by me. ये मेरे से बनाया हुआ है. It is made by me. No, new, new. Sit, sat. Past form of sat. Sit, sat. Buy, bought. Buy, bought. Leave, left. L-E-F-T. Write, wrote. I wrote a letter. Run, ran. Take, took. So we have introduced some of verbs. There are so many verbs. Okay. So students, today we have completed our chapter number 13, present tense and past tense. So students, keep practice at home. Thank you.